What's good, YouTube? I am back with another video slash vlog today. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for graduation. I'm going to be doing my nails, my eyebrows, my lashes, and you know, my grandma's going to put the mix in for the wig. So all that good stuff. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure to hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video and become a part of the family. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm in a Ville where it's at, period. Now let me stop. But I'm on my way to my nail appointment right now. It is currently, what time is it? 11 o'clock, and my appointment's at 11, but I'm down the block. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record because, you know, I'm gonna be listening to my music, but I'm gonna throw in some clips of her doing it, and obviously I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when I'm done. So stay tuned for that. So y'all, I got my hair braided, got the mix in, got my nails done, period. I'm about to go get my toes done, and yeah. Hey guys, so I finished my lashes. Period. I love them. By the way, this is my first time getting my lashes done, and I love it. Period. So yeah, so sorry I couldn't record while I was getting my nails done and my eyelashes done or whatever. But yeah, I might record me installing my wig later. Maybe. Depends on the struggle. But yeah, I'll record. And yeah, I'm on my way home now. I'm in Uber. Period. But yeah, I am super hungry. I'm starving. Yo, let me tell y'all, my stomach was growling the whole time I was at my lash appointment. And luckily, thankfully, the music was so loud that you couldn't hear it. I was just like why me? Like, I'm not even that hungry for my stomach to be growling, but apparently I am. Like, I guess I am. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm about to do my hair. Y'all, I'm back. I got the mix in. Fresh. Yes sir, yes ma'am, period. Look at my lashes in the better light. Period. I love them. Okay, so we about to start with the wig. Which one y'all think is lighter? This one, right? Yeah, it's definitely lighter. All right, so I might do a voiceover because I want to listen to music, and you know, I don't want to get copyrighted, but let's just put that cap on first, you know? All right, so here y'all know the rundown. I'm just putting got to be gel on my edges so I can brush my edges back. You know, you don't want to lose your edges when putting on a wig. So I'm doing that, and then after I'm gonna blow it out so it can dry and stay back. You know, yeah, I'm really bad at voiceovers, but y'all can tell what I'm doing just by looking at it. But yeah, gotta blow it out, brush it up, because I am not losing any more edges. I'm trying to put these wigs on by myself. Alright, so this part is quite long and kind of self-explanatory. I'm putting the wig cap on, and I'm going to lay it down by putting some more Got2b gel and some Got2b spray, you know, so it could, yeah, lay down. And then I'm gonna blow dry it after. Y'all gonna see me blow drying it so it could dry faster, because obviously we're not gonna wait for it to air dry. And then yeah, don't mind me acting like a bird, you know, I was bumping to my music or whatever, period. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop the voiceover here and put the music back so y'all could enjoy. And period.
With my shooters and they shooting with passion. They pay with the gang and they gonna die. Stay with my brothers, I know that they gon' ride. If you say it's a problem, promise that we gonna slide. Promise that we gonna slide. Promise that we gonna slide. They pay with the gang and they gonna die. Stay with my brothers, I know that they gon' ride. If you say it's a problem, promise that we gonna slide. Promise that we gonna slide. Promise that we gonna slide. This shit be fucking my head up. Foot on they necks with a god, I can't let him. Put him in traffic, them little niggas sped up. Hit him one time, I bet he won't get him. Tired of stressing, this shit got me fed up. When I fuck from the back to that bitch, put her leg up. Want me to kill, but I think it's a setup. My niggas all calling me Ben yelling check up. Mikey, Tokyo drifting. Toast out the V, the windows is tinted. Chase.
Alright, y'all. So it's dry now. And I'm about to put makeup on it. And, you know, make it match my skin, kind of, whatever. And then I'm gonna put some makeup on the wig. But I want to see if the wig is cut. If if it matches the hairline that I just cut on the cap. I heard you got another nigga and you're not alone, but is he treat you like I used to? Her period. It looks fake right now, but we about to make it look like scalp, kinda, you know.
Yo, Eli, what the fuck? That's new art right there. Promise that we gonna blast him. New pack up in the air. With my brothers and we causing havoc. Flight saw, put that boy right there. That nigga in love with the fashion. I need the best, gotta have it. With my shooters and they shooting with passion. They pay with the gang and they gonna die. Stay with my brothers, I know that they gonna die. If you say it's a problem, promise that we.
So this right here is basically some hack I saw on TikTok. You put your foundation in a spray bottle with some rubbing alcohol and it creates like a lace tint, like a tint for your lace, so it'll look like your skin color, whatever. So that's what's in a bottle and you're about to see me spray it on the wig.
Let him put him in traffic, them little niggas sped up. Hit him one time, I bet he won't get him. Tired of stressing, this shit got me fed up. When I fuck from the back to that bitch, put her leg up. Want me to kill, but I think it's a setup. My niggas all calling me Ben yelling check up. Mikey, Tokyo drifting. Toast out the V, the windows is tinted. Chase you down like LeBron. Ultra young, I could shoot from a distance. Keep a pole, but I ain't fishing. Thoughts on his head like his name Krillin. Got a chop in the scene like New Edition. Got the same boss name.
Okay, so now basically for the whole rest of this clip, I'm just going to be applying my maybe 2 to 3 layers of glue and spreading it out very thinly so there's no little chunks of glue. And yeah, I think that's about it. And then after I lay it down, I'm going to blow it out, and then in the next clip you guys are going to see me putting on the lace. Maybe, I don't know if I put that clip in, but yeah, so I'm gonna speed it up and yeah.
Yo, Eli, what the fuck? That's new art right there. Promise that we gonna blast him. New pack up in the air. With my brothers and we causing havoc. Flight saw, put that boy right there. That nigga in love with the fashion. I need the best, gotta have it. But my shooters and they shooting with passion.
Y'all already know. I act like a bird all day, every day. I was really bumping to my music, as I should. But yeah, I'm blowing out. Well, yeah, I'm blowing out the glue. Not blowing it out. Damn, y'all see me drying the glue.
Stay with my brothers, I know that they gon' ride. If you say it's a problem, promise that we gonna.
Sorry y'all, I already started to put the wig on. I was charging my phone, but I got this side on already. This side always looks weird. Ever since I got this wig, this side be looking weird. But it's alright.
Chase you down like LeBron. Ultra young, I could shoot from a distance. Keep a pole, but I ain't fishing. Thoughts on his head like his name Krillin. Got a chop in the scene like new edition. Got the same boss name on new dishes. Fuck that dude, his my dolly. Slide with a match just like McFoley. Y'all be in post like O'Neal, but I'm sending shots like Kobe. Now I'm about to get back to the own me. Run up, get done up, get small like a bogey. Her boyfriend and lame Mr. Mosby. She be in tellies more than Zach and Cody. They pay with the gang and they gonna die. Stay with my brothers, I don't know they gon' ride. If he saves a problem, promise that we gonna slide. Promise that we gonna slide. Promise that we gonna slide. They pay with the gang and they gonna die. Stay with my brothers, I don't know they gon' ride. If he saves a problem, promise that we gonna slide. Promise that we gonna slide. Promise that we gonna slide.
This is stressing me out, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done. Alright guys, so after struggling trying to fix the wig, the glue and the lace, and I did my edges too, I got the wig on, and I feel proud of myself because you see it's kind of but it's okay because ain't nobody gonna see what's here and here. They just gonna see this. So hey, so I did not record an outro, so just make sure you smash that like button, and I'll see y'all when I post the next video.